Welcome friends to Autocad tutorial part 10. Here we'll learn some more modify tool. The first modify tool that we will learn is offset. The tool for offset is resided here in the modify toolbar. Offset is used to offset a specified distance for an object. It can work for any object like rectangle, circle or line. The command for offset is O. Now let us specify the offset distance. In our case we will keep it 2. And then select the object to set offset 4. Press enter or right click in the window. The command for offset is O. The command for offset is O. Then press enter. Then select offset distance for our object. We will set it to, and then select object to set offset for, and then click at the side you want to set offset. In this way we will create offset for that object. And once we are done, press enter to keep the object at its point. Let us now set offset for the rectangle that we have drawn in the drawing window. For that again we will follow the same command sequence. We'll give O and then select object and we'll say the offset of that rectangle when we will click outside. Now the next command that we will learn is extend. Here we have drawn a vertical line and some horizontal lines are there. If we want to set the same distance for all this line so that it will touch the vertical line, we will give the command extend. For that the command is EX. This way we'll select the lines and then as per the requirement or instruction we'll follow to get the extended line. Once again we will do it. Now let us set EX command, then select the vertical line, then press enter and click on the object that we want to extend like this. To extend we have the tool here in the modify toolbar. Below trim we have the extend tool here. Now the next command that we will learn is stretch. To stretch the command is S and the tool is here. The stretch command allows you to make selected portion of a drawing, preserving its connections to parts of the drawing left in place. Connection made with lines, arcs, traces, solids, 3D faces and polylines can be stretched. Let us first give command for it in the command area, that is S. Press enter and now select the object to stretch. Now right click or press enter. We can select the displacement angle from here. In our case, we will select 20. Then press enter. It will stretch that drawing or lines to that particular angle. Let's see it with zoom all. We have learnt 3 commands here, that is offset, extend and stretch. We'll learn some more commands in our next tutorial. Thank you.